All right, and we now move on. A team of scientists from the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology has developed a groundbreaking AI weather forecasting system that's capable of predicting thunderstorms and heavy downpours up to 4 hours in advance. This new model significantly outperforms current systems, which typically provide just 20 minutes to 2 hours of warning. The team created the deep diffusion model based on satellite data using generative AI techniques to enhance forecasting accuracy. The system that's designed to predict severe convective weather like intense thunderstorms and heavy rainfall does not forecast typhoons. With a forecast refresh rate of every 15 minutes, the system has shown a 15% improvement in accuracy. It's already been tested across 20 million square kilometers of mainland China, and researchers believe it could be adapted for global forecasts if sufficient satellite data is available. Both China's Meteorological Administration and Hong Kong's observatory are working to integrate the model into operational weather forecasts. Somraj Bhattacharjee and markets strategic expert now joins me in this discussion from New Delhi. Somraj, thanks very much for joining us. Firstly, AI, of course, growing its role now even to predict weather forecasts. How do you see this, and what real challenges are there still that needs to be addressed? It's already clear as of now that the system will not yet be able to predict any typhoons.
Yeah, so thank you for having me. It's very relevant that we are talking about AI applications at such a granular level now. The first thing we have to understand is that what does this AI model predict, like this DDMS system that has been evolved and developed by the scientists in Hong Kong. It develops and it detects patterns. It does not predict weather phenomena. Traditionally, weather phenomenon systems like the NWP systems, which are called numerical weather prediction systems, they work on physics-related information like fluid dynamics, air pressure, thermodynamics, temperature, etc. So this takes time to detect, but these AI models are more trained to detect pattern-based recognition data. So there would be errors when it comes to identifying patterns. New weather phenomena like the typhoon, like a cyclone, like a sudden cloudburst, these will not be predicted by this AI system, because as long as the training data is not available, these systems will not be able to detect such phenomena. What these DDMS AI systems will be good at will be, they will be very good for crop cycle rotation, for periodic monsoon-related data, where pattern-related recognition data is available. Like in India, we know that the monsoon season comes every year from July to September, October. That sort of predictions will be more accurately done. But sudden changes, sudden events, catastrophic events may still be not possible for these AI systems to detect.
How much do you think AI-based forecasting systems can really replace the existing infrastructure that we have?
Now we will, as I explained to you, these systems, these AI systems, which are called DDMS, deep diffusion model systems, will be able to only replace weather patterns. They will not be able to replace variation-based data. They will not be able to replace weather systems. Now, there's a difference between a weather pattern and a weather system. Weather patterns are cyclical patterns and happen frequently or periodically. But weather systems like El Nino, La Nina, etc., they happen suddenly and they change track mid-weather or mid-season. So, accuracy-wise, they may be able to make predictions for weather systems, but their accuracy will only be low right now, until and unless these scientists or whoever is doing the research right now, these Hong Kong people, they give it more time. So we should not be in a hurry to rely completely on these AI systems right now. But at least for our daily predictions, whether it's going to snow today or it's going to rain today, we can rely.
Oh, okay. And how long do you think this tech transfer will take to reach the global south?
We already are using some form of such systems, not really AI, but regression-based analytic systems in our if you see the IMD predictions, they follow some kind of regression-based forecasting models. Now, regression is the basic of any AI system, just for your understanding of the audience. So we already are using it. As far as advanced models are concerned, I'm pretty sure that some of our scientists are already working on it because India is number 3 or number 4 when it comes to AI adoption. Maybe in the coming 6 months, because we already have a use case that has gone live in Hong Kong, we may very well expect Indian scientists and weather scientists and meteorologists to come up with our own in-house weather pattern recognition.
All right, Somraj, thanks then very much for joining me in this discussion. And viewers, that's all we have time for. Thanks for watching NewsX World for all international news and updates.